how to add the Chrome Dino Game widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot or go to a different home screen page, then touch and hold. After that, we go down and tap on Widgets, then scroll down. In here, tap on Chrome and then touch and hold on the Chrome Dino widget and drag it to the home screen and let go. And whenever you want to play the Chrome Dino, just open it and then we're going to play without an account. And then you can tap to start playing. And that's it. So now the game is starting, and then you can play the game while you're at an appointment, or if you're doing something that you are waiting, you can play the game. So it's quite a good game and fun game to play. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.